Today, we introduce the next generation of contaminant removal with our fastest and most durable and versatile paint restoration surface prep tool yet, Mother's Speed Clay 2.0. Now, we're going to clay as we wash. Hose off vehicle to remove loose dirt. Wash the area with a clean sponge or wash mitt. Then rinse with water. Next, dip the Speed Clay 2.0 into the wash bucket to fully saturate the tool. This helps to keep the working section lubricated, which is crucial to claying performance. Lightly glide the tool across the surface in linear overlapping motions. If you listen closely, you can actually hear the contaminants being removed from your car's paint. Now run your hand over the surface to check for any areas you may have missed. Should you drop Speed Clay, simply rinse with water and continue using. Working in sections, continue claying until your vehicle is complete. Rinse thoroughly and dry. As another option, you can clay as you wax using your favorite Mother's Spray Wax or Instant Detailer. Rinse thoroughly after use with water and set aside to dry in a well-ventilated area. You should be able to clean the average size car 15 to 20 times with just one Speed Clay 2.0 tool. Now that your car is free of those damaging contaminants, apply your favorite Mother's polish and wax for maximum gloss and long-lasting protection. Now that's it! A quick and easy process to keep your finish looking great.